Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy the XRP on the Binance app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here we can find the trade option at the middle right here. Now simply tap on it. Now tap on to buy the XRP. Now here you can find the XRP option right here, and if you can't find it right here, then you can simply tap onto the search bar and type XRP like this and then tap on it. After tapping on it, now to buy it, simply tap onto the amount just like this and then tap on to select payment method. After that, tap one of these cards that you want to buy and then tap on to confirm. And after confirming it, you need to add your card information, and after adding your information, simply tap on to confirm. And after confirming it, you will be able to buy the XRP on the Binance app. And that's it. This is how you can buy the XRP on Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.